I graduated from college in the mid-90s, and in a sort of unhealthy mix of arrogance and ignorance, I accepted a part-time teaching position. And I was working as an architect in town, and it was great. But I knew if I wanted to teach more, I'd have to go back to grad school, and I was going to look at architectural pedagogy as a topic and really try to understand how we can teach architecture. And so at that moment, I decided I was going to stop working as an architect, and I really wanted to teach. And that was the question about how do we teach architecture, how do we learn architecture, has been the focus of a lot of my research. And it started with an idea that all cultures do two things. Every culture builds, and every culture tells stories. Architects have used stories to define program, to talk about architecture, to really kind of understand how a building allows for meaning in our lives. So architects have to be good communicators. That's, I think, the most important design tool would be empathy, but followed really closely by communication. You need to be able to communicate with people. You need to be able to express your ideas. And it's just part of it. Representation is really our language, right? So we can write, we can explain projects, we can describe projects, but if you're not able to communicate a project, you're never going to do anything, right? You're not going to succeed. So to architect something means to be strategic, innovative, entrepreneurial, thoughtful, right? All that is a part of what it means to be an architect.